There's water shortage outside camps of Baidoa. You've seen there are many people who aren't getting clean water. In fact, they don't have drinking water and water for cooking food. The vulnerable communities are doing more struggle to gain their daily food, including water. One jerrycan of water is buying half $0.5 and they cannot able to get that money. They travel to distance to obtain water and unfortunately they come back with nothing sometimes. Somali Social Welfare AGENCY-SSWA is mostly doing reaching water for those vulnerable communities complaining crisis of water. SSWA is ready anytime for giving kind assistance to the vulnerable communities, including old ages, female, male, and children. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Allah helps the servant as long as the servant helps his brother.